Welcome to Lesson 3, focusing on whole class learning. Today's lesson is about size matters, mastering perimeter, area, and unit conversions. Before we begin, let's review our foundation. Perimeter is the distance around the outside of a shape, and area is the space inside. Can you recall these conversions? 100 centimeters to m, 2 meters to cm, and 1.5 meters to cm? We use the metric system, where everything moves in powers of 10. Remember the metric staircase. 10 millimeters equals 1 centimeter, 100 centimeters equals 1 meter, and 1,000 meters equals 1 kilometer. Calculating the perimeter means adding up all the side lengths. For a rectangle with sides of 5 centimeters and 3 centimeters, the perimeter is 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3, which equals 16 centimeters. Remember to use consistent units before adding. Area measures the surface in square units. For a rectangle, area equals length times width. For a triangle, area equals base times height divided by 2, since a triangle is half a rectangle. Be careful of the mixed unit trap. If a rectangle has a length of 2 meters and a width of 50 centimeters, you must convert units first. For example, 2 meters to 200 centimeters, before finding the perimeter and area. Now for some guided practice. Grab your whiteboards or notebooks and try task 1. Find the area of a garden that is 4 meters by 3 meters. Then try task 2. Find the area of a triangle with a base of 6 centimeters and a height of 4 centimeters. Are you ready for the challenge? This is your independent work. Choose your starting point and open your Oxford Book 7 to the pages for Group A, B, or C. A fun fact, the word perimeter comes from the Greek words peron and metre. Here are the you-do questions. You can choose from 3 groups of tasks, Group A, B, or C, based on your comfort level with perimeter, area, and unit conversion problems. For those who want an extra challenge, here are the you-do extreme tasks, divided into gold and platinum levels. Here are the answers for the you-do tasks. Check your work for Groups A, B, and C. And here are the answers for the you-do extreme tasks, for both gold and platinum levels. Review these to check your understanding of the advanced problems.